Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0TDI R-Line with 150 horsepower in elegant grey. With a powerful 2-litre engine and 92278 kilometers on the clock, this SUV is packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, lane departure warning and satellite navigation. The sleek interior offers cup holders, luxury trim and more. You'll feel secure with ABS, collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags. Plus, enjoy chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails for added style. With a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty, this Tiguan is ready to hit the road. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details on this impressive vehicle.